Today we're visiting the Sanders Cafe in Corbin, Kentucky, the birthplace of Kentucky Fried Chicken. Inside you're greeted with what looks like a everyday Kentucky Fried Chicken counter. But the dining area is beautifully decorated, and there is a museum built all around the dining area. So we ordered us an order of chicken strips with some fries and macaroni and cheese, and then I decided to go back and get some souvenirs. This place is full of the history of the business and the Colonel. There's a lot of nice exhibits that will show you a lot of information, so you can stay busy looking around for a long time while you're in here. I thought this was very interesting because I never knew that he had ran for Kentucky State Senator. And the history of the buckets. Okay, when I saw this, I couldn't resist. I had to take a picture with the Colonel. So this exhibit shows what the motel rooms looked like when he had the cafe, the motel, and the gas station at this location. So this is going to wrap up the video here. It really makes you see how much this man accomplished in his lifetime and what has actually happened to the franchise even after his death. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and I'll see you in the next video.